Nothing compares to having a family, a complete happy family. I am proud to have had one. Unforgettable memories of a sweet childhood. Growing up with pure love and affection so many people wanted to have. I was nourished with hope that someday I'll have something more than I have expected. My parents gave me everything. They wanted me to have the best of endless possibilities. I owe my life to them. I am nothing without them. They are the reason why I am a fighting spirit to finish what I started and to give my best every time and never give up in times of troubles. It was my time to serve them. I am young and free, but why should I push myself to this responsibility? Why? Because in this life, you can never tell when your closing ceremony is about to arrive. But it was over before I even started. God, why did you take them from me? You're so unfair. Why them? Take me instead. They were gone. I am now alone. I can honestly say I am nothing. I don't have them anymore. God, please give me a chance to embrace them again. But I know it isn't possible. I've had a lot of chances. I just didn't really make the best of it. Life is really full of surprises. Not always good ones. Some are worth tears. Deep inside my heart, I am longing. But I should move on with my life. Nothing could bring them back. If the stairway to heaven is for real, I would use it no matter how far it would take me. If that's the only chance, then I am ready. I salute those parents who have given their all, the most selfless people you would ever know. Nothing compares to the love you have given. The perfect friends, there's nothing less. One day we shall meet again. Excitement fills my broken heart. Only you could complete me. So when I see you, I know you're holding the missing piece. Memories.